Do you find it hard to create content on the go? Let me show you how I create content anytime, anywhere. Hi, I'm Alex with Teleprompter. I'm here to introduce the amazing app to help you create flawless videos. Content creators have a big challenge: to consistently deliver engaging and high-quality content while balancing their busy schedules. To the rescue is the Teleprompter app. It's a true industry game changer, revolutionizing the way content creators produce videos on the go. In this video, we'll explore how this remarkable app empowers creators to efficiently create content, whether they're commuting to work, on vacation, or pressed for time. Seamless content creation. The Teleprompter app allows content creators to effortlessly create content wherever they are. Imagine sitting on a train during your daily commute or soaking up the sun on a tropical beach. With Teleprompter, you can easily access and manage your scripts from popular cloud storage services like Dropbox, Word, iCloud, or Google Drive. This means you can be productive in idle moments and recapture pockets of time to work on your scripts and plan upcoming content, helping you stay one step ahead. Optimizing limited time. Time is a precious commodity for content creators, and Teleprompter is designed to help you make the most of every minute. Instead of wasting time scrolling through scripts or frantically trying to remember your lines, the app provides a streamlined experience, allowing you to quickly import your scripts and start recording with ease. The interface is intuitive and customizable, so you can focus on what truly matters, delivering compelling content to your audience. Efficient script management. Managing scripts efficiently is vital for content creators, and the Teleprompter app simplifies this process. You can store unlimited scripts in the app and edit them on the go. Whether you need to make last-minute changes or polish your content during downtime, the app provides a user-friendly platform to fine-tune everything. Plus, the app has an automatic subtitle generator to help you save time and ensure accessibility for a broader audience. Uninterrupted performance. Teleprompter enables content creators to maintain a seamless performance, even in environments with limited connectivity. Whether you're filming in remote locations or experiencing spotty internet connections, the app functions without an internet connection. This means you can confidently deliver your message without interruptions, knowing that your teleprompter is there to display your script. Enhanced portability. Content creation shouldn't be limited by physical constraints, and the Teleprompter app provides the freedom to create content anywhere, anytime. Its compatibility with various devices, such as smartphones and tablets, makes it a portable solution for content creators on the move. Simply download the app on your preferred device, sync your scripts, and you're ready to create professional quality videos wherever your adventures take you. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility of the app and unlock your creative potential while juggling the demands of a busy lifestyle. So whether you find yourself commuting, exploring new destinations, or simply making the most of a limited time frame, the Teleprompter app is your trusted companion for efficient content creation. Download the app today and embark on a journey of seamless video production, making an impact on your audience anywhere, anytime.